Hey my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Hey yo, Skilla. Alright everyone, you don't know who this is already. It is the Skilla, you see it? And here is the thing now. You all know about New Kingston and the stigma that was on New Kingston about homosexuals, right? But something happened and these homosexuals that was based in New Kingston area has been relocated and they're all over the place now, you see me? So a fight take place in a St. William Grant Park, that a downtown Kingston parade, where have Jamaica people online asking the question if Jamaica changed, like them totally desensitized to the whole homosexual thing, or act, I should say, right? Now, I have a video of a show no, where it triggered this question, really and truly, and I just want to show the clip and ask you, my viewers, what do you think? Right? Has Jamaica changed? Or, you know, because is it for the better, is it for the worse? Just let me know. Alright, bear in mind that this video has a little violent, you see me, I say, because of, you know, the fight. You see me? So take a look and observe.
Yeah, you have to be a vehicle. Don't worry, man, with them now go around with me.
Yeah, so you get what I mean? Has Jamaica changed? That's the question. You see me, I said to you. So this is what I bring to you, my viewers, asking you to give me your full input on a situation. Alright, now bear in mind that some people will try and ask me what me think about the thing. The thing about it is that I am the host of this channel. There is no way I can really be picking sides or giving certain answers to certain things unless I am an audience to another channel. So as a host, please you can't really expect me to judge. You know what I mean? But here is where I'm going to say to you, my viewers, you know, let me know what you think, right? You know, just give me your honest opinion about this thing, but please don't be too harsh, as we are trying to keep it as friendly as possible. You know me, I said to you. And as always, if you're new to my channel and you need to know more what I go on, you have to click the subscribe button. You know the thing set already for Dancehall Skilla. You see me, I say, my name is Skilla, and that way I just say is Dancehall Skilla ENT. Hey my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.